Good morning and welcome. This is my new Kärcher wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It's a NT30/1. That means it has actually a 28-liter capacity, and I will use it. The first mission is to clean our pool in the other house. So that I will do when the rain stops. Exactly when I started this video, the rain came. Yeah, no pool cleaning today. At least not now. But normally it rains for like 30 minutes or something. And then after it stops, 10 minutes later, the road outside here it's coming down. Not hard, but it's raining, so I cannot clean the pool today. I drained all the water, and it's like 10 centimeter water that we will clean. We will pump that water out first, and then we use this machine to take the algae and shit that has collected in the bottom there, and paint from, not paint, but like flakes of paint from when they painted the house. So this is the first mission. So I will set up a time lapse or something, and when we do that.
I drank the lie, closed my eyes, thought I'd find you on the other side. Your name was the last thing I ever said. Now I'm the ghost and you're still in the bed. They call it love, but love betrayed. I gave my life, you walked away, waiting for you. They're not for us. Every vow we swore has turned to dust. I traded breath for a faithful lie, but you kept your breath and I learned to die. They call it fate, I call it cruel. I was the knife, you played the fool, waiting for you. Kiss the grave. I gave you all, but you couldn't be brave. You haunt my heart, but I haunt your dreams. I'll drag you down in my silent screams. My silent screams. Waiting for you, but you never came.
Yeah, that was 2 hours hard work in the pool. We got it up to some kind of state here. It's not ready. It will rain, of course, and we will have a man here put grout on the edge here. And yeah, he's dirty everywhere, actually. So he's not ready with the tiles, nothing here. But he will be ready sometime, and then I think next week we put water in it. 32,000 liter, 32 cubic meter water is in that pool. So yeah, that was an interesting experience. I never cleaned a pool like this before. So I say thank you for watching, and I see you soon.